Good morning guys from Chiang Mai. So today I wanted to do something different, at least for me and probably for you guys as well. I wanted to try to teach you something. I don't know if I am a good teacher or not, but lately I've started learning a lot about filmmaking, editing, and just shooting videos, and I wanted to share some of that knowledge with you guys. And today I wanted to teach you transitions that I learned recently and that I've been using in our vlogs, in our videos. So let's see how this goes. So the first transition is probably the most widely used in vlogging and video. It's when you cover lens in one shot and then you uncover it in another shot. So this creates really fast and easy transition if you want to make, if you go from one place to another place and you just need to cover your lens with any kind of object. It can be this lens cover or your hand or even your body. So this is a really easy transition and it best works when you're going from one place to another place. You just need to cover your lens with something and that's it. And the next one is so-called spin transition. There's a lot of videos on it and how to use it, but I wanted to create my own version because this is one of the most complicated transitions that I'm currently trying to figure out, and because it requires a lot of practice. You need to practice if you want to create this really smooth and seamless effect of the natural motion blur. So it's basically spinning from one side. So you start spinning in one location and you end up in being in a completely different location, or you can switch clothing. And the main secret behind this transition is that you need to keep the same motion as in the first video clip, and then you hide the transition in the natural motion blur that's created by shaking the camera while you're doing the spin. So it creates this kind of really nice natural motion blur and you can hide the transition in the cut. So another transition is similar to spin transition, but it's not spinning but wiping camera away from your subject into another shot. So you wipe away from one shot into the next shot. So this is a really fun and easy transition to use in your daily vlogs or any kind of video actually. So the next transition is also really simple to use, but it creates this really nice effect. It's called camera shake, where you basically shake your camera a little bit to move from one shot to another shot. So you also use the motion blur to hide the transition. And I like this transition so much because you can get really creative with this one. And the next transition is really similar to wipe transition, but in this one you just tilt your camera up or down to make a transition. And you tilt back in another shot. You can get as creative as you want with this transition. You can use it not only to tilt up or down, but also left, right, or be just creative and think about your own transitions. So the next transition is similar to covering a lens, using different objects to go from one shot into the another one. And then you use a different object to go into your new shot. So all of these transitions are in-camera transitions and you do not require any kind of templates or plugins. You can use only your camera. So you can use these simple transitions to spice up your daily vlogs or any other video. I will try to make a separate video with even more transitions and how can you use the same transitions for your B-roll. I hope that you learned something new today. It was a first learning video for me. So if you know any other in-camera transitions, just let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please press that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye!